guys to my garden. Welcome to my garden. This is South Florida Garden Girl here. I just wanted to bring you out here to show you the progress of some of the plants or all of the plants that I have out here. If you watched my previous videos, you saw how they were much smaller when I was out filming a few days ago. But look at the spinach, how broad the leaves have gotten. They've really grown, and it's only been a few days since that last video there, but they've come up quite well. I'm very pleased. And these guys were planted back in December the 18th of 2022, and it's the first day in February, so they have come a long way. And these are the radishes. Those were planted January the 21st, and they're up already, so that's pretty good. The potatoes, they're still under the earth, so I haven't seen anything yet, but maybe next week I'll come out here again and have a look, and I'll bring you with me. These guys here are beets, and it's good to see the little shoots coming up. And over here, I've got some more spinach that I planted on the 19th of January. And, you know, they'll look pretty much like these guys over here in a few weeks. And here's some more spinach in a grow bag, which I find the grow bags very convenient and very practical. I can, lift the bag up and take it to a more sunny area if I wanted to, or wherever I want to move it. Yeah, and they're reusable. Once the crop is finished, you just wash them out and you can use them again. And over here is the tomato plant, and the tomatoes are growing quite nicely. They've gotten so much larger, and there are still more flowers on this tree, which means that there are going to be some more tomatoes. And so far I haven't seen any pests or any of those caterpillars that sometimes you'll see on tomato plants, so that's pretty good. I'm very happy about that. I just keep my fingers crossed and keep observing. And over here, these are lettuce plants that I had planted on the 21st of January, and look, they're already coming up. And over here are the chard and spinaches that I had planted like late last year, but they weren't doing too well because I really didn't fertilize them as much, and I think it stunted their growth, because those over there in that other planter bed, they were planted way after, and look how big they are already. So I really need to work with these guys here. And here I've got some more lettuce that I planted, and over here is bok choy. And this is my potato plants. It's looking healthy and lovely. And so let me take you to the bed over here that I had resurrected from last year. And I had planted some cucumber plants and some garden beans. And it's only been a week, a little over a week, and look, the cucumbers are already coming up. This is fantastic. Lovely. And here's another one here. The beans are they're still in the ground. It'll take another week, maybe two, for them to come up. The garden beans, I don't think I've planted these before, so it's going to be quite interesting to see what happens with them. But cucumbers I've planted already, so I kind of know what to expect from these. And as they grow, I'm gonna have to put trellises out here for both the cucumbers and the beans, because they climb and they need something to climb on. So I do have some trellises from my other gardening projects, so as soon as it's time, I'll put them out here and let them just climb up. And that's it for now. Everything's looking good out here. And I hope this inspires you to plant something, go and get your grow bags and And just, or some just containers like this. Containers like this will do. Even an old bucket with some holes drilled into the bottom will do. Anyway, until next time, thank you guys for watching, and love you, and get gardening. Have a good one.